This is the Oppo Find X5 Pro. The Oppo Find X5 Pro isn't a far cry from its predecessor in terms of design. It's a long thin device that exudes quality, in both look and feel. Oppo has preserved the same rough size for the X5, 163.7 by 73.9 by 8.5 millimeters. Those measurements are only about 0.2 millimeters different from the Find X3 Pro, and the X5's weight is only 2 grams heavier, at 195 grams. The USB-C port, right edge mounted power button and volume rocker are all in similar spots. The X5 Pro is IP68 rated against dust and brief submersion. There have been exactly 0 noteworthy screen changes since the last gen Oppo, but that's not necessarily a terrible thing since it's a very good looking screen. This is a 6.7-inch AMOLED panel that is broken up by a punch hole cutout at the top left and curves at the edges. The resolution is 1440 by 3216. The refresh rate is 120 Hz, the max brightness is 1300 nits and the aspect ratio is 20:9. It's a great looking display with top contrast, bold colors and a very high brightness. Plus, the in-screen fingerprint scanner feels a touch more responsive than that on last year's model. The main camera here is 50MP f1.7, and it's joined by a 50MP f2.2 ultra-wide snapper with a 110-degree field of view, and a 13MP f2.4 telephoto camera with a 2x optical zoom. On the front of the phone is a 32MP f2.4 camera, which is fine, but it's not the best selfie snapper we've ever seen. If you're a fan of zoom shots, this isn't the phone for you. The Oppo Find X5 Pro is a super powerful phone, touting the same top-end chipset as the Xiaomi 12, Samsung Galaxy S22 and OnePlus 10 Pro. That's the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, and it'll likely be the most powerful chipset we see in 2022 Androids. That's paired with 8GB RAM, though you can boost it up with a built-in RAM expansion feature that temporarily converts storage into more memory. Many new phones come with tech like this. You can gain extra 3GB, 5GB or 7GB this way. So this is a powerful phone, which will be useful for gaming and intensive processes like image editing. The phone runs Android 12 with Oppo's Color OS laid over the top, and that's an Android fork just like the ones many Android phone makers use. The phone has a 5000 mAh power pack. We usually see batteries that size power lower-end phones for up to 2 days, but with 5G connectivity, powerful chipset and big bright screens, flagship phones often require a lot more juice. The Oppo Find X5 Pro is, generally an impressive flagship phone with an attractive display, powerful processor, excellent main camera and fast charging capabilities. It even excels in some areas where flagships can be spotty, like in the battery and software departments. However, the X5 Pro isn't a perfect phone. The camera zoom is weak and this updated Oppo is missing the X3 Pro's fantastic microscope camera. Make sure to like and subscribe to Tech5 for more videos. Bye for now.